Alright, first order of business, let me chronograph this. Yes, the Ruger extractor did fix it, but I took that one back out and put it in the gun where it belongs and ordered one for this. It's not here yet, so I may have a few malfunctions. I don't know if I can chrono this gun. Object error, not track projectile, press enter to continue. Which button is it? This one? Alright, let's try it again. Yeah, unfortunately I can't chrono this gun. That sucks. Alright, we're going to be changing the 0 from 100 yards to 50 yards. It should be about a 4 MOA difference. So let's give that a try. Again, this doesn't have the Ruger extractor in it, so if I have some malfunctions, just don't worry about that. They'll be taken care of soon enough. No idea where that one went. Let's try that again. Yeah, about 4 MOA high. Yeah, I'd say that's pretty good. Let's set the 0 stop, and then we'll probably go up to 200 yards. Alright, so this is the first one I couldn't find. Obviously, there's no orange paint. Then I shot this one. I'm like, yep, about 4 MOA high, so I corrected. There's a pretty good wind blowing today. It's probably like 2 MOA I'm inside of. But that's, what, like 10 shots or something like that? I don't know. You'll have to count them. Alright, I'm going to attempt to get some scope footage. We're going to reconfirm the 0 and then just plink around a little bit before we go to 200. Man, this wind is killing me. I'm getting some upward dispersion, but I'm not sure if it's because just I'm shooting bulk ammunition. What the deal is. But alright, I better quit before I run out of ammo and don't get to go to 200. Alright, so what I'm going to try to do is land 3 shots on the target. It's 200 yards away. The target's about this big, must be like 9 inches. The Kestrel says I have to go up 18.86 MOA and left 0.31. So we're going to go up 18.5 and left quarter MOA. Alright, so let's give that a try. Turn on my scope cam. Then after we shoot 3 at the target, I'm going to put a couple in the dirt to see how close I was with my guesstimation with the Kestrel helping me. It's looking like I got a diagonal wind coming this way, so I'm going to favor the left side of the target. Oh, now it's switched right. It's got to be like 15 miles an hour too, because the trees are swaying. Alright, so I'm going to be off center to the right of the target. Alright, now I'll put a couple in the dirt and see how close I am. Oh shit, I was way low. Alright, for future reference, I have to come up 26 MOA at 200 yards. Twenty-five, 26. That's a little too high. Alright, now I'm going to put 3 on the target. So I clearly must have the wrong information in the Kestrel. We'll go and check the target, but that 0 is 25, 26, 26.5 MOA is what I had to come up. So I'll probably have to make a range card for this rifle, because whatever information the Kestrel has is not correct. Alright, so here's my target. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Can't remember if I counted that one. So we'll call it 20 on paper. I'll have to go through my scope cam, but I think I might have hit with one of the three, because I swear I fired more than just 5 right here in the dirt. Maybe oh yeah, I switched mags, that's why. Duh! So I'm not sure how many I hit for sure, but this is, what is it, a 12-inch square. Just a little bit bigger than a head. Now the first ones I fired before I made my correction would have been down here somewhere, because it said 18 MOA and it wound up being 26, so I was damn near 8 MOA off. So it would have been 16 inches low. Actually, they would have been like right in here. This might have actually been one of them. So I'm definitely going to have to make a range card through trial and error with this particular firearm. So for 200 yards, we got 25, 26.5 MOA up, and then right, man, I can't get it to focus. Well, right is 2.25 MOA. Now there's a hell of a wind today, so the right might not stay the same. Alright, so now we're at 100. The Kestrel says to... Which I gotta get this Kestrel crap scared away, because at like 300, that range has no feedback. So if I don't know exactly what to do, it would be hard. Alright, so I gotta come up 4 MOA. And then I gotta be about 0 on windage. It's 0.1 left, but we'll just go to 0. Alright, 4 MOA up. Let's 0 with the windage. Alright, let's give it a try. I don't have any more paper targets, so we'll just be putting it in the dirt. Well, at 100, it's dead nuts. It is exactly 4 MOA. Barrel must be warming up because now it's shooting a little high. Definitely need to get a bipod for this. Alright, we're dry. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.